In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a GIF in your story in Facebook. So first you wanna click add a story. Then you wanna choose a story. I'll just choose this image as a story. Then you wanna go to the top right and click on stickers. And then you wanna click GIF right here. And then here you'll find plenty of options. I'll just search up for something nice. I'll just put funny here. Okay, see here I have plenty of GIFs. Let's say I want to choose this and I can expand it with 2 fingers. I can expand it and then I can just place it like this and then share it. And just like that, you have added a GIF to your story in Facebook. So just let it load a little bit and it should show up right now. Okay, there you go. Now if I click on it, you'll see this is the story with the GIF. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.